In this video, we will discuss programming handpiece Endo auto torque settings on a DS7 touchscreen. There are two methods to change the auto torque settings. Warning: Endo file settings must be set according to the file manufacturer. File speed limits, torque limits, supported gear ratios, and supported auto modes should be provided in the Endo file instructions for use. If these settings are not set properly, patient injury may occur. Ensure that the file used in reciprocal motion is approved for a torque of 3 Newton-centimeter and a maximum speed of 600 revolutions per minute, min 1. For more information, consult with your file manufacturer. For the first method, begin by withdrawing the handpiece you would like to program. While in the endodontic mode, press the Endo Auto Torque Mode button at the bottom of the screen. Then select the mode you would like to use. For the second method, press the menu button at the top right of the screen. Then select Equipment Settings and Delivery System. Select the holder position you would like to adjust. Then Endo Auto Torque Mode. Select your preferred auto torque mode. Press the back arrow to save any changes. Press the Home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.